Hi everyone, it's so good to be back. I've been away for a little while, but I'm excited to share new recipes with you. So let's dive right in. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious Nigerian Ugba Sauce recipe. Over here I have some red bell peppers, some onions, tomatoes, ginger and garlic, and some chili peppers. I'm going to give this a rough blend and I'll set this aside. I will be making some plantains to pair with this Ugba sauce. Transfer the plantains to a baking rag and roast on both sides until the plantain is brown. And now to start the process of making the sauce, heat up your pan and go in with some red vegetable oil and some red onions. If you're living in the diaspora like in the US, you can get all these ingredients in your local African grocery store. Next, go in with the rough blend of pepper mix and cover the pot and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. The pepper blend should look like this after it has been cooked properly. Most of our Nigerian sauce and soup does not really need a lot of seasoning. So I'm just going to go in with crayfish powder, bouillon powder, allspices, and the main ingredient, which is ugba. I will also add some deboned dry fish, some spinach, and some scent leaves. Combine together and cook for 2 more minutes. The sauce is ready and it can be served with plantains or with any type of yam. If you have watched up till this point, then thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.